Hey everyone, and welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving into a massive shift in how businesses handle their absolute most important asset, their people. We're looking at how SAP is completely transforming talent recruitment and management. We're talking about moving away from treating HR as this reactive chore, just scrambling to fill empty desks, and shifting it into a high-powered driver of actual business growth. Okay, let's dive into this. Are you just filling vacancies or strategically aligning your talent? It's a tough question, right? Because in today's insanely competitive market, if your staffing solutions are only focused on plugging holes when employees leave, well, you're already falling behind. That is literally the core problem in modern HR, and we really have to rethink our approach.
So, here's our quick roadmap for today's explainer. First, we'll look at the new staffing paradigm. Then we'll check out SAP's integrated HR engine, followed by predictive hiring with analytics. We'll outline 3 big SAP benefits, and finally look at a real-world example with Rasta Infotech in action. All right, let's kick things off with Section 1, the new staffing paradigm, and moving beyond simply filling vacancies.
And this brilliantly illustrates the big shift we're seeing. Traditional staffing is, frankly, pretty short-sighted. It's focused simply on filling immediate vacancies. But modern staffing? That is all about strategically aligning your talent with long-term business goals. It's not just about getting a warm body in a chair anymore. It's about asking where the business is going in 5 years and finding the exact right minds to get you there.
Moving right along to Section 2, SAP's integrated HR engine, a unified platform. At the absolute heart of all this is SAP SuccessFactors. Think of it as a unified platform used to manage everything from recruitment to onboarding, payroll, and performance tracking. Just imagine a new hire's journey for a second. Before they even step foot in the office, their recruitment data flows seamlessly into an onboarding portal. Once they start, that same system transitions them directly into payroll and immediately begins tracking their performance goals right alongside the company's big picture objectives. No lost files, no disconnected departments. It basically guarantees seamless communication across all business units. Because, you see, it's not just about individual employees. It's about the entire workforce working together as a whole. SAP's workforce planning tools align your staffing with future business demands, and doing this severely reduces the risks of either overstaffing or understaffing. I really want to emphasize why this matters so much. This isn't just some convenient HR software upgrade. This is a vital financial and operational safeguard for the entire organization. You aren't wasting capital on a bloated workforce, and you aren't burning out a skeleton crew. It's the perfect balance. Which brings us to Section 3, predictive hiring with analytics or data-driven recruitment.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how SAP Analytics takes recruitment and evolves it from pure guesswork into a precise predictive science. You can literally identify critical skill gaps early, way before they cause massive project delays. You can accurately forecast future hiring needs based on real data trends, not just a manager's gut feeling. And you can continuously optimize those talent pipelines. Basically, your staffing decisions are finally backed by rock-solid predictive insights. Okay, on to Section 4, 3 big SAP benefits covering efficiency, experience, and compliance.
Let's break down how these highly technical modules directly translate into concrete business wins. First up, we've got automated workflows. These drastically reduce manual effort, which gives you unmatched efficiency in hiring and seriously speeds up the entire recruitment cycle. Second, SAP enables personalized onboarding and career development paths. Now, this doesn't just make employees feel warm and fuzzy, it delivers an enhanced employee experience and boosts retention. Because, let's face it, people stay where they can actually see a future. And finally, SAP provides audit-ready records. This ensures total compliance and transparency, so you can easily adhere to complex labor laws and safeguard your business from some pretty severe compliance risks.
Let's look at how this plays out in the real world in a Section 5, Rasta Infotech in action, elevating staffing with SAP.
Here is a fantastic real-world application. Rasta Infotech integrates SAP Solutions directly into its staffing services. By doing this, they're able to leverage SAP's technological edge to drive higher productivity, reduced costs, and long-term growth. So the crucial point is this: when you combine deep, in-the-trenches staffing expertise with the advanced technology of SAP, it yields massive, measurable growth for modern enterprises. It's a total game changer.
So what exactly does Rasta Infotech deliver by integrating SAP? Well, they can execute completely tailored recruitment strategies designed for diverse industries. They create highly scalable workforce models that adapt effortlessly to seasonal or project-based demands. And the best part? They don't just stop once the hire is made. They ensure continuous talent development through SAP learning modules. They can scale and adapt seamlessly, no matter what the industry demand is. Which brings us to this incredibly powerful summary quote. Staffing solutions powered by SAP are not just operational tools, they are strategic enablers of business success. I mean, that hits the nail on the head, right? It perfectly captures the core thesis of our explainer today. We absolutely have to stop viewing HR as just some back office function and start recognizing it as the strategic engine that drives the entire company forward. So I want to leave you with this final thought. Is your company equipped to harness SAP to build agile, future-ready teams that drive true innovation? With the right expertise, like what we just saw with Rasta Infotech, the answer can be a resounding yes. But it requires making the conscious decision to move beyond simply filling vacancies. It's time to align your talent with your ultimate business goals. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and I'll catch you next time.